How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, so just make sure to stick with me till the end. If you want to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, it's very simple. Just go ahead and first of all launch the Trust Wallet application over here. Then once you launch your Trust Wallet app, this is the kind of interface you will see, where you just have to tap on the buy option here. If you want to buy Bitcoin, select Bitcoin over here, and once you've done that, simply enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy $1,500 worth of Bitcoin. I will select that. I will get an estimated amount of 0.02 amount of Bitcoin. Then I can tap on the buy option to purchase the Bitcoin. I can also change the payment method by tapping on this credit card option and tapping on this drop down and selecting Google Pay or bank transfer. If you have a card, then you can simply buy using your card as well. But to give you a context, this is how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.